Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I hope everybody is being safe. Tired of talking about this COVID stuff, but I mean, it is serious, and it's just been affecting everything that I have going on right now. So I went ahead and put the rear wheels on, and I ended up going with some Kumos. I believe they're Exta 225/40 18s. This was the setup that I ran originally on my 9th Gen Civic. Yes, I only have the rears on because I'm having some issues with fitment in the front. There is a lot of camber. Now, being that there's a lot of camber, I do have to adjust both. Hold on, let me wait for this thing to pass. So back to what I was saying, I have to adjust the front camber because apparently they maxed it out in the front for whatever reason. Do have to play around with the fitment in the front. It is still poking out some. I also, if you haven't noticed, did get a Jay's Racing front lip. A friend of mine actually got it for his car. Didn't realize that he had the FD1, so it wouldn't fit his front. Got the mail right now, and I ended up getting emblems for the steering wheel. And I did have one on there, but it was damaged, so I'm gonna take that off, throw this on. Should be a fairly easy install. I mean, it's just replacing this emblem right here. It just comes right off because it really wasn't on there, and I only used like 2 pieces. And it has the full 3M on the back, which is a lot better than what I had on before. So it might be a good idea to go ahead and clean. If there's previous owner had like these diamonds on here with like super glue, and honestly, like, I don't know, it just left like a whole bunch of residue on here. It should pretty much line up. I would probably push on it like as much as you can, and it won't come out. And there you go, just like that. Got a brand new emblem. Looks good. All right, so that's done. For the next thing, I have my rear lip. I've been wanting to put this thing on for quite some time now. I got it back from paint, came out amazing. Went ahead and put the trim on it so that way it looks OEM. And the funny thing about that is it did come with black trim, but because the color, the trim was a different color. So for darker colors, Honda uses darker trim. And obviously for the lighter colors, they use gray. So I ended up getting a roll of the gray trim. If you guys want the part number, I can go ahead and put it somewhere here on the screen or down below in the description. So if you guys need that, definitely check that out. I'm gonna try to attempt to put this on, no drilling, just screws and 3M tape. See how that goes. So I got the car pulled out. Oh, by the way, brand new license plate, check it out. ¿Cómo está? For all my Filipino followers. Hopefully it doesn't rain on me because it does look like it's about to rain.
Let's go have some fun.
First things first, you're gonna want to remove your rear mud guards. I believe it's just screw here, screw here, screw here. And it should just come off. I'm gonna go ahead and leave those on there and reuse those. guys, there's how she looks. Hopefully it lines up and is straight. If not, I can always adjust it, but here it is, guys. So much more different, like more aggressive on the rear. I'll meet you guys with some cinematics and I will be right back. Let me know what you guys think of the new lip. I think it looks freaking crazy, man. Like, whew. A couple things I'm waiting on. Waiting on my JDM trunk, which should be here. I want to say maybe 4 to 5 weeks, they said. And then I got to get a couple things for the rear. Oh, also got, here, let me show you guys. I also got my mini fender flares in, which I'll show you right now. Mini fender flares, they actually sit on the body, so it's not actually like involving any cutting. I do have to get some trim for these as well again, but just to give you guys an idea, I can go ahead and put one on for you so you can see what it looks like. So I believe this is the rear passenger, and it will sit like this. So it'll be here, fits nicely, which I think it should. Somebody had told me on a forum that it did, so it's perfect right there. So, all right guys, so that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys' support. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. See you guys next time.